Alright, welcome back to the channel. Could be a rough day today. It rained all night last night and most of yesterday. See if we can get a couple fish in the boat, swing on some bass. Hopefully it's not a rough day today, but you never know. Only a couple hours fishing before work starts, or I have to go back for work. Kind of cool scenery though on the lake here if you look at the clouds that are passing through here. Alright, I'll update you guys as the day goes on. Later. Fish. Number 2, good size nature. Wasn't what I was expecting. Musky. Looks like it's wrapped around them. I don't know that I've ever seen that before. That fish didn't have it in its mouth. Number, I don't know, 6. That's a smallmouth. I'm just getting a little worried. Well, number 7. Keep going. Alright, well, that's it for me today on this episode of 2 Hours of Fishing before work. It's about 7:25 right now. Gotta head in, load up, so I'm ready to go when I get back home by 8. I did catch 7 or 8 fish. Everything was on the Ned rig. Water is just churned up from all the storming, from all the storms the last day and a half about. So the water's real, I mean, I don't know if you can see that or not, murky. Normally it's clean around these weed lines and stuff like that, but it's not. No. So kind of makes it difficult for the fish to find the baits and stuff like that. And the finesse was the only thing that was working, just because all the washout. Yeah, the water is just dirty from the storms and stuff like that that's been going on with the high winds and everything. last day and a half or so. Even in the weed lines, it's not clean, and normally it's clean here with the weed lines. The weeds just keep all the murky water out, but it's not the case today. See what it's like this weekend if I come out here, unless I go to a different lake. But keep on fishing, keep on having fun. Hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that. I'll catch you on another episode of 2 Hours of Fishing and other videos that I do. Talk to you guys later.